Hey there, amazing space explorers. Welcome back to Curious Cub. We've already visited giant planets, moons, and the sun, but today we're going to meet the tiny but mighty members of our solar system, the dwarf planets and asteroids. They may be small, but trust me, there's a dindao. Dinder sapom the sign, nerban dibo, bisam fu berpru. So fasten your space belts, because it's time for a mini-sized adventure with some big discoveries. So, what exactly is a dwarf planet? Well, it's kind of like a planet, but a little different. To be a real planet, a space object must 1. Orbit the sun, 2. Be round in shape, and 3. Clear its path of other objects. Dwarf planets do the first two things, but they don't clear their orbits, meaning they share their space with other cosmic stuff. That's why scientists call them dwarf or mini-planets. Now, let's meet the most famous ones. Pluto. Once known as the ninth planet, Pluto got reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. It's icy, cold, and has a heart-shaped glacier. Even though it's small, Pluto has 5 moons. One of them is Charon, almost as big as Pluto itself. Eris. Slightly smaller but heavier than Pluto. It's one of the farthest known dwarf planets, like a frozen marble at the edge of the solar system. Haumea. This one's funny. It's shaped like an egg because it spins super fast. Make. It's red and icy and very shiny, like a glittering snowball in space. Ceres. The only dwarf planet in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Scientists even found signs that it might have water beneath its surface. So yes, small doesn't mean boring. These little worlds are super cool. Now, let's zoom in on the asteroids. They're rocky objects left over from when our solar system was formed about 4.6 billion years ago. Think of them as space fossils that tell us how planets were born. Most asteroids live in a special zone called the asteroid belt, between Mars and Jupiter. It's like a huge space traffic jam made of millions of rocks, big and small. Some are tiny as pebbles, and some, like Ceres, are hundreds of kilometers wide. Did you know? Some asteroids have even moons of their own. Scientists have given them names like Vesta, Pallas, and Eros, and sometimes small asteroids enter Earth's atmosphere. When they burn up, we see them as shooting stars. So next time you make a wish on a shooting star, you're wishing on a tiny space rock from billions of years ago. Dwarf planets and asteroids may be small, but they help us understand the history of the solar system. They tell us what the early solar system looked like, when everything was forming. Some asteroids even carry water and organic materials, which might have helped bring life to Earth. That means, maybe we're all made of tiny pieces of ancient stardust and space rocks. All right, curious cubs, it's quiz time. Let's test your tiny space knowledge. What makes a dwarf planet different from a regular planet? It doesn't clear its orbit. Which famous dwarf planet used to be the ninth planet? Pluto. Where do most asteroids live? In the asteroid belt, between Mars and Jupiter. What do we call asteroids that burn up in Earth's atmosphere? Shooting stars. Which dwarf planet might have water under its surface? Ceres. Great job, little astronauts. You're becoming real space scientists. Wow. Today we discovered that even the smallest things in space can be super important. Dwarf planets and asteroids may be tiny, but they hold big secrets about our universe. If you enjoyed exploring space with us, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Curious Cub for more exciting space adventures every week. And remember, no matter how small you are, you can still make a big difference, just like our little space friends. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and shine bright like a star. Bye-bye, Curious Cubs.